thank God for Johnny Mercies. It is with a great sense of responsibility that I, on behalf of the Board of Trustees, address the 98th National Executive Committee, NEC, meeting of our great party, the People's Democratic Party. As the custodians of our party's values and principles, it is incumbent upon us to address the crises that have arisen from the recent challenges surrounding the leadership and actions of the National Working Committee. The widespread public interest in the affairs of our party is a strong pointer to the confidence Nigerians repose in the PDP as their only hope in the face of escalating insecurity, bloodletting, biting economic hardship, infrastructural decay, and pervasive misery occasioned by the horrible misgovernance of the heavily corrupt and insensitive All Progressives Congress, APC administration, spanning 9 years. We cannot ignore the fact that our party is facing internal strife fueled by inactions, disagreements, and misunderstandings that threaten to undermine the very foundation upon which the PDP stands. The recent events have brought to light the urgent need for reconciliation, unity, and collective action to steer our party back on course. It is in times like this that the true strength of our party is tested. As the highest decision-making body within the PDP, I implore each and every one of us to rise to the occasion and fulfill our responsibility to the millions of Nigerians who look unto us for leadership and guidance. Leaders of our party, it is clear that the hope of Nigerians for rescue from this emerging totalitarianism is anchored on their belief in the capacity of our party to lead the charge in defending and protecting our national patrimony at this critical time. Therefore, I am calling upon esteemed members of the National Executive Council to step forward and take on the crucial role of mediators in resolving the crises that have engulfed our party. It is imperative that we set aside personal differences and work together in the spirit of fraternity and solidarity to find common ground and chart a solid path forward. To further strengthen our party, we must toe along the line of the 3 R's of reconciliation, repositioning, and restructuring. We must remember that the PDP is more than just a political organization. It is a movement driven by the aspirations and hopes of the Nigerian people. We owe it to them to demonstrate unity and resolve in the face of adversity. Let us not allow the actions of a few to overshadow the collective vision that unites us all. As advocates of democracy, we must uphold the principles of transparency, accountability, and inclusivity in all our endeavors. The process of mediation must be conducted with utmost fairness and impartiality, ensuring that every voice is heard and every perspective is taken into consideration. Our contributions and decisions at this meeting must therefore be guided by the dictates of the constitution of our great party and the vision of our founding fathers and mothers, so that we can come out stronger and more united for the task ahead. In conclusion, let us heed the call of history and rise above the challenges that confront us today. Together we can overcome the obstacles that lie in our path and emerge stronger and more united than ever before. The future of our party and the destiny of our nation depend on the collective actions in this critical moment. I have every confidence in the wisdom and integrity of the members of the National Executive Council to rise to this occasion and lead our party to greater heights. PDP, PDP.